How to translate your Shopify store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. And before I show you how you can translate the store, let me show you how the store looks like with the current language. Now, as you can see clearly, the current language is in English. So let us see how it will become. Once you're here, click on settings at the bottom and then scroll all the way down till you find languages. Click on it. And from the second section, you can see it says published languages, and it has English as default. So click on change default next to it, and this will give you a languages drop down from which you will find a large list of languages that you can choose to translate your store to. So go ahead and choose any language. For example, I want to choose French, and once you do that, click on save at the bottom right. And once the save has been done, you go back to your store, and let's refresh this page. And as you can see, the store has been changed to French. So that was it for this video. That's how you can translate your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.